me, Stace. I am back again today with another Friday PIP, which is our Pinterest inspired project. And today we are making this adorable little caterpillar card. You darling. And there we have the inside as well. Alright, so the first thing you will need is a piece of cardstock. I just have a piece of crushed curry, 8.5 by 5.5. I scored it at 4 1/4. Take that with our bone folder and give that a good crease. Then we have 2 pieces of white. This one for the front is 2 inches by 6. The one for the inside is 4 by 5 1/4. Then I just took random colors of cardstock and a 1 3/8 inch circle punch. I punched out 6 circles. So the first thing we're going to do is glue our white piece to the front. And I'm using art glitter glue to do that. Now I'm going to have it go maybe about a 1/2 inch or so from the bottom. I'm going to flip it over and then just cut off the extra piece on the back. Really simple card, a great one to have little ones help you with. Alright, let me see if I can make that a little bit better there. Okay, I think that's good. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and take our circles. And I did use my scoring board to score some of them. You probably can't see the score lines, but a few of them I did that with. You can add legs to this if you want to. I'm kind of following the same pattern I did there. So this is a great use for all your scraps if you have a circle punch. It's a really good one for the little ones to help you get involved with as well. So I did the red one with the scoring board and also the orange one, just for a little bit of texture. You can also use embossing folders here as well. Alright, give all them a squish. Now I'm going to take my mini Misty tool. I already have my stamp lined up in there. And I'm using one of May's. It is called Buggy Love. Absolutely adorable. I'm using the one here that says I'm buggy about you. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. I'm going to ink it up just with the black ink. Let me grab them magnets. Okay. Ink that up really well. Bring it over. And just push that down. Perfect. Alright, we're done with that. So we have our stamp on the front. The last thing I'm going to do is add the antenna. So I have here we go. It's just a black Crayola marker. Just like that. And I have some googly eyes over here. And I just have small ones. And I did go ahead and add some sticky strip or sticky tape on the back, just to make sure they're going to stick down. Okay, so we have one eye there. I think the googly eyes just make this card adorable. Okay, so we have that googly eye. I did the same for the pom-poms. Actually, I'm going to do that now. Take some of that tape, just stick it to my board, give it a rub, take the backing off, and I'm going to kind of pick it up and kind of squish it so it'll fit on the back of my pom-pom. If you have a glue dot, you can use that as well. Alright, gonna stick that on there. So cute. Alright, and grab this one. Stick it on the back. And then it's going to stick to your fingers, of course, because you're on video. Okay, going to stick that one on top of that one. Isn't that cute? And there's the front of the card. How adorable. All right, for the inside, I have the 4 by 5 1/4, and I have a smaller bug on the block here. And I just smudged my finger and my table. Oh, can you tell it is Friday? Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't have any scrap paper, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a Post-it note here. I only want to stamp part of the bug. Okay, now I have ink on my finger. So of course we're going to get ink on the card. That's kind of tradition. All right, maybe not. But I couldn't find the measurements for this card. I've seen it on Pinterest, but I couldn't find the measurements, so I just kind of guessed. I mean, they did say they used a 1 3/8 inch circle punch, but they didn't tell us how big the strip was, so I just kind of guessed. But isn't that cute? But I might go back in there and add little legs because I think it looks kind of plain. But anyway, guys, there you have a super quick Pinterest-inspired project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.